Have you ever wondered how some of the things we use work, what's it made of, and how it does what it does? Polytetrafluoroethylene, also known as PTFE. What is polytetrafluoroethylene? PTFE may be the slipperiest and most unreactive compound in the world. Most people call it Teflon and recognize it as a kitchenware use. PTFE is a man-made compound. It is made out of a carbon backbone chain, with each carbon atom having two fluorine atoms attached to it. In the chain, the fluoride atoms fully enclose the carbon atoms so that it can't react with other molecules, making PTFE one of the most unreactive substances in the world. Since the fluoride atoms fully enclose the carbon atoms so that no other outside atom can get anywhere near the carbon to react to it, it causes Teflon to have very low coefficient of friction, allowing things to slide across its surface very easily. Because of its slippery feature, things coated with PTFE are able to uphold its cleanliness by repelling unwanted dirt and by protecting itself from other outside chemical compounds that it does not want to come in contact with. Even though most people recognize it as kitchenware use, it is incorporated tremendously in the industrial world, such as for sofas and carpets, and also in the more mechanical departments, such as coating cars, pipes, and also certain chemical containers. There are so many advantages of using PTFE in our daily lives. It creates a simpler lifestyle, cooking becomes easier and less messy, and when used properly, may help conduct a healthier lifestyle for future generations. Even though there are tons of advantages as to having PTFE in kitchenware, there are still several limitations that has yet to be resolved. Because of the process of applying the PTFE to the pans, there is a limit of temperature to which the pans must stay below in order to avoid the deteriorating of the PTFE substance and the dangerous compounds used to form the PTFE to come into the food we cook. PTFE has also been assumed to have caused cancer, though it has been scientifically proven that it is not the PTFE compound but the compound used to produce the PTFE, called the PFOA, also known as perfluorooctanoic acid. Although PFOA may be found and is very heavily dangerous in pans, scientists have also said that people are also just as likely to run into PFOA on their carpets containing PTFE substances, just as they are
examples of how
with
Teflon
pans
is very
containing
harmful to
PFOA.
human health is when there were women working in the DuPont factory where Teflon is produced. It had a high incidence of birth defects and abnormalities in which DuPont had to pay millions
There are also more
in
common
damage
forms
once
of
exposed.
Teflon concerning health issues, though they are not as threatening as producing cancer, such as the flu, high temperature, cold, and in some cases will lead to a fever. There have also been attempts to substitute the PFOA substance with other substances and compounds, but it has been said that PFOA cannot be substituted in the making of Teflon. Some factors and issues concerning PTFE include health issues and economic issues.